I'm sharing a special Angelman Syndrome Awareness t-shirt, and it's International Angelman Awareness, February 15th. And we wear blue for that awareness, and I thought it'd be fun to use this vinyl that's got this floral pattern on this blue shirt and make some angel wings into it. So here I am cutting and weeding and placing all of the vinyl. And can I just note the video recording quality, because I recorded this in 2022. So drastic change just in 2 years. So just in a couple of years, my footage has significantly gotten better. And anyways, I heat press it, peel it off, place another layer, heat press it, peel it off, place another layer. I also wanted to show you how I kind of tag team my recording for YouTube as well as my recording for social media and like short form content. So you can see me bringing out my phone and kind of taking little clips here and there and recording videos and photos of the process, so that way I can combine it and do some short content. While I have my GoPro set up doing a constant recording or time lapse, I am controlling my phone and doing snippets here and there of video and photos to combine later and have for social posts. So anyways, yeah, I have a Substack now I'm going to be starting that kind of shows my business processes of stuff like this, because I feel like that'd be helpful to some of you creators. Here's the finished result. Happy Angelman Syndrome Awareness Day. I hope you have a fabulous Thursday. Oh yeah, go create something. I hope this was inspiring.